Congrats Tita Ayn at Tito Mark. Ikits na pala kayo. Sayang di ako nakasama. Thank you for letting me join into your group. It made me feel special. Especially nung nag-Animax tayo. Hindi ko mararanasan yun kapag di niyo ako pinasama. Bye. Congrats ulit at bye.
Hi, Ate Ayan. I want to say best wishes and congratulations, Kuya Mark. I know you guys are going to be really happy together because you started your relationship off of friendship, and to me that seems like the strongest type of relationship to have because you're going to be spending the rest of your life with your best friend. You're going to laugh together and love together.
Hindi ako titingin sa ibang babae. Hindi rin ako titingin sa mga bakla. Joke lang. And I will take care of you and protect you forever. I love you.
Moving forward, hindi ko na itatago ang cellphone mo tuwing naglalaro pa ng COC. Someday, kung nagkaroon ka ng six-pack abs, I'll let you win an argument. Okay. You will be my forever partner and best friend.
Love is patient. Love is kind. Love does not insist on its own way. Love bears all things.
Hello po, congratulations po sa inyo, Kuya Mark, Ate Ayn. Supportahan nyo lang po isa't isa sa magiging ups and downs nyo. Yun po, may your wedding be filled with happy memories you can treasure forever. Yun lang po.
Just wanted to congratulate you on your wedding. Hindi ko na mahahabaan tong message ko. Gusto ko lang sabihin that I hope that you will continue to fulfill your dreams even though that you have another responsibility to take care of. Huwag niyong kakalimutan na parating lingunin.
Last word. Pag nakapaglaba ka na, yes sir, hiwalay ang dikolor sa puti. I have the last word. You have the last word.
Greetings from America. Hi, I'm Leonda, and I just want to say congrats, Mark, and I hope I'm saying this right, Ayan. Oh my God, it's so wonderful that everything worked out the way that it did, and oh my God, I wish nothing but the best for both of them.
Congratulations and best wishes. とてもすごい感謝してます。本当にすごく行きたかった結婚式ですけど、行けなくてとても残念です。日本から2人の幸せを末永く見守ってます。ありがとうございます。
Hello there, I'm Indra Novia, cosplayer from Indonesia. I wanna say congratulations for you and happy wedding. Bye.
Congratulations, Tita Ayn and Tito Mark. Best wishes. I was hoping to be a flower girl pero nasa malayo na ako eh. Okay lang yan. Thank you. Bye.
Ayan, Mark. Sorry hindi ako makapunta sa wedding nyo. Congrats and best wishes.
Salamat sa lahat ng mga sumuporta kay God, sa family, sa parents na nakulitan, nag-stress sa amin, tsaka sa lahat ng mga pumunta nagiging sa work o absent, kunwari, LDM,
You're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it cold, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything.
This handsome man in front of you, to be your husband, to love you.
You're always so well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery, you're from outer space, you're every minute of my everyday. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will see it through, and you know that's what our love can do. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything.
Nandito po kayo lahat. At nandito kumatin. Tsaka sino sa lahat sila. Pumunta sa lahat.
And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything.
I apologize. The first runner-up is Shan from Colombia.
So la 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 la. So la 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 la.
And hi Pinono, congrats nga ba sa kasal niyo yung dalawa. Oreshi, gamba de best na niya.